Hello, hello. Today I will make this video with my real voice, my real accent, and my real me. This is not an avatar. I will try to do it because I want to use my brain. Because now I used to do all the video by myself in English and Spanish, but now I just use AI. So I will do that just to see if I can still speak English. Okay, let's go. Just one thing here. I will go directly to English and I will change my camera right now. Okay, I wanted to show you something new here. When you make a click on support here, you have the last release. Before, it was just a link going through a YouTube page. But now we just created a page especially for you. So here you see nothing really new, but just inside to go. You have the last video there, the playlist over there. It's in English. Definitely, if you work, for example, in French, you will have directly in French here. On Spanish, it's going to be the same here. Spanish, it will be in Spanish. Okay, so you will be able to choose the language of the video because sometimes in your team someone speaks English or whatever. So here is the link, and there the most important is the topics. What we've done, because most of the time just ask me that you talk about something but I cannot find it in which video. So now you will find it very easily. For example, I want to find something for the custom field. So just write custom and you see here we just have like 26 videos talking about custom fields, and you have like 56 moments, so specific topics inside the video. For example, here, if I want to have a look, we have this video and we are talking every moment about custom field. We have another one, for example, we made a video about Raimundo, but inside Raimundo, at this exactly timeline, we talked about custom field. So if you want to check a specific moment, just choose your moment. You have like a resume here, you make a click, and you will go directly to the right moment of the video, and you will have directly your answer here. We are talking about custom field. Okay, so hopefully it's going to be useful for you. And after that, we've chat about this directly in WhatsApp. I just want to explain a little bit more. So I will go to my trip builder. Let's find the first one here. And you see here, you have this special thing saying that you have something, and the answer, if you let your mouse here, said to you that you don't have disponibility, availability from your provider, your supplier. So how does it work? Just make a click, go to your supplier, and you will see here in logistic directly the answer. We have an unavailability right here from the specific date here. So this is how it works. It's pretty easy. Just make a plus and you just put the dates and it will be directly here. You can see it in an easy way now. If you need to have the same functionality here for product, just tell me. I will make like a quick survey if you need to do it, and we will make it easier for you. After that, I just wanted to talk about the check here, so you know how it works, but it just like change the way it shows information. It's much easier to read it, so you know how it works, but if you use it, but for example here, you see in my hotel, I have an information there. You understand that it's coming from your product directly. You will be able to go to your product and you just have to check in the info part. Info part is the part that showing all the information, for example, the capacity policies, ages, etc., etc. Everything is here, so you will find it here in this check trip directly there. So it's a good thing to use, but I will go back to my here check alert. So on your right, you will be able to add a custom field, info, for example. Oh no, let's take another one. So custom field, you will be able to go directly to a custom field and say this is another test. Just put the information, and when you go back to your trip, if I open it once again, you will have directly the information. This is another test. So this is the way it works for the custom fields. here for the info directly, and after that you have the day by day with information and if it's unavailable, and you have like all the list information. So you can have a look to that. And for just the last thing here, if you need to have this check here, you can make it automatic. For example, this is the case here. If I make a click on quote, I have my check trip alert. If you want to do it, you just have to go to settings, your host, and in your host you have to go to quotation. Sounds like pretty logical. And after that, here you see verified trip before calculate. So this is your notification, your check alert list. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.